Okay. Hey everybody, we brought the dogs down for a play at Dinosaur Lake and noticed that we were at 99 subscribers. So we're going to do a giveaway for the 100th subscriber. We're going to do a giveaway for when we reach 100 subscribers. Anyways, what we're going to do, Scrap It All suggested this in the Discord. We're going to give away 1 ounce of gold.
Plated circuit boards.
Plated circuit boards.
Don't be that guy.
We're a random contestant that comments on this video.
You don't have to accept the prize. Just...
There could be RAM in there. There's going to be gold plating.
But if you want more junk hanging around your house, by all means, accept the prize.
Or you could refine it down if you're a better person than I am. Anyhow, 1 ounce of gold-plated circuit boards. Bye, everybody. Thanks for the 99 subscribers.
Woo woo.